starting my video. There we go. Hey Facebook world, got my new boat and thought I'd share with you guys unwrapping it. So the kayak courier's just been to Perth and lots of new boats been delivered. I've been probably one of the latter ones to pick my boat up. Yeah, so let's open it up. Of course, there's always got to be careful with my enthusiasm not to actually cut the cover. So I've just got the sock because I already had a boat cover, so I've just got the sock in it. So beautiful. Thank you to Anthony, my cameraman. Well wrapped by the way too, Brett. Done a good job looking after it. Something on top here, I'm not quite sure what's in there. Ooh, surprises. I want to cut whatever it is. Ah, ta-da! Australian Pedal Sports. Oh, look at that. Nice t-shirt. Thank you, Brett and Jill from Australian Pedal Sports. Oh, some more boat stickers and stuff to use. Oh yeah, we had a conversation about my, I just got the Carbonology Surfx ski, and I was saying to Brett about they don't have a Carbonology sticker at the front of the cockpit, so he sent me one to put on there. So there you go. Oh, cool. Data tie downs. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. And we'll go from the bow in because that's the most exciting part. Ready for it, drum roll. Whoa, look at that! How awesome is that? Beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that in there? So that's all clear carbon, and the clear carbon continues through the stripe. So it's not black. That's actually the clear carbon through the stripe. Awesome. This is actually, the pattern's actually from their, I think it's their Nova K2, but when I saw it on the website, I thought, oh, that would look so cool in a K1. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, that's beautiful. This is exactly the colour I was hoping for. It's beautiful. So the Infusion X. So if you weren't aware, my previous race boat was an Infusion 2. People ask me, why did I go for an Infusion X? So up the front, it sounds like not a great reason to get a new boat, but the Infusion X has more of a tapered bow, whereas the Infusion 2 has a straighter bow, and just the smallest chips on the straighter bow would catch weed. And yeah, for me, when I saw the Infusion X with that tapered bow, I thought that's going to be a lot better for, especially for marathon. And then apart from that, I got this boat with, as Anthony's probably stuck the camera in there, I got it with rigid foot plate thing. They call it carbon foot bar. Actually, after paddling Anthony's boat, because so it's got the pump in there ready to go, carbon foot bar, big boy pedals for my big size 12 feet. Yeah, I'm going to have fun in this baby. So there you go. So that's my new K1. Thanks for watching.